Radio, what I wanted to just show you was recent sales from a simple, small, one-page product launch. We didn't even go into an in-depth release or a promotion on this one. It was just a quick one-page, 20-minute sales video, and it was a quick launch. And so let me just, I got March 15, it's now 2011. And today is actually March 17, 2011. So let me just hit search, scroll down, and that has what has been pocketed in sales as a result of the product launch. So I tell you what, for a week's work, that's not too bad. We're running a few email promotions over the next few days because we're running this product launch only until Sunday. So as a result, we expect to double those sales by Sunday, so close the business. So starting out $17,000 isn't too bad. Anyway, I just wanted to share that with you, and just to prove to you the date, let's check out Times. So I'm going on the New York Times paper. I just wanted to show you the actual date here. This is March 17, 2011. So I'm not showing you fake, phony stats. This is a real web recording of our sales for the system. So have a great day. I look forward to doing these sales for you very, very soon.